Welcome to my YouTube channel. The Daily Post brings another very important informative video about lubrication system and lubricants. It is a quality video to learn about types of lubrication system used in all industries and lubricants. If you are watching first time, please must visit previous informative videos by links in description box. Please share and subscribe to get new videos. Keep watching the Daily Post. Choose the best way to learn. Most people believe that lubrication is only important because it makes the parts slippery. In reality, lubricants are substances which play a major role in bearing and machinery function for its long life. Before moving further, I suggest you to watch my previous videos. In this video we will cover up the following topics. What is lubrication? Purpose of lubrication. Lubrication methods. Oil lubrication methods. Let's start with proper definition of lubrication. Lubrication can be defined as the application of some materials between two objects, moving relative to each other to allow smooth operation, as much as necessary. Either oil or grease is used for rolling bearings to prevent noise, wear and tear, and heat from being generated from their rolling and sliding movements, and in some special cases, solid lubricants are occasionally used. The amounts and kinds of lubricants for rolling bearings are determined depending on operation speed, temperature, and surrounding condition, and so on. Because lubricants have spent their service life or polluted with foreign materials, they cannot serve their function well, hence they have to be periodically replaced or oiled. Purpose of lubrication. The main purposes of lubrication are as follows. To prevent wear and premature fatigue by forming the lubrication film on the surface of low transferring parts, to prevent contacts between metals. To enhance the favorable driving characteristics, such as low noise or friction. To prevent overheating of bearings, and to prevent lubricants deterioration by radiating the generated heat to outside. It works particularly well if the circulation lubrication method is adopted. To prevent foreign material penetration, rust, and corrosion. Lubrication methods. Generally there are two methods we are using for lubricate our machines: grease lubrication, oil lubrication. It is important to choose the appropriate lubrication method that suits bearing operating conditions and purpose for the bearing to perform well. Oil lubrication is generally better than grease lubrication in many respects, but grease lubrication is also widely used, because they have merits in that bearings have the available inside spaces for grease, and that it is comparatively quite simple to use them. Oil lubrication methods. There are several methods used for oil lubrication for the machineries. The first one is oil sump lubrication. It is the most generally used lubrication method, especially for low or medium speed operations. Oil surface should be, in principle, placed at the center of lowest rolling element, and it is better to be able to confirm the location of oil surface by using the oil gauge. The second one is drip feed lubrication. A range of gravity and forced feed oilers for lubricating single or multiple points, and for use in conjunction with brushes to lubricate conveyor chains. Reservoirs are available in plexiglass or glass and range in capacity from 14 cc to 3 liters. Throwaway lubrication. This is a method that utilizes gear or circulation ring to supply oil to bearings. It is widely used for automotive transmissions or gears. Another type of lubrication method is circulation lubrication. It is widely used when it is necessary to cool the bearing parts that revolve at a high speed or that with high surrounding temperature. Oil is fed through feed pipe and recovered through recovery pipe, which is cooled down and refed again. The diameter of recovery pipe should be bigger than that of feed pipe, so as to prevent back pressure from occurring to the oil inside a bearing. Spray lubrication. Spray lubrication is a method that vaporizes the lubricant by blowing in the air to be sprayed into bearing. Due to small volume of lubricant required, its churning resistance gets smaller, which in return makes it suitable for high-speed revolution bearings. It minimizes volume of discharged lubricant. The pollution to the equipment can be also kept to the minimum. In this type of lubrication, fresh lubricant is fed all the time, bearing life can be extended. Therefore, It is widely used for various machining. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video with more detail. If you are new, please subscribe and write your feedback in comment box. I will be surprised if you tell me from where you are watching this learning video in comment box. Keep watching the Daily Post. Choose the best way to learn.